In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership before the auto renewal date. Sometimes our needs change, or maybe you want to explore other platforms, and letting your subscription renew isn't something you'd like to deal with. So let's dive into the steps you need to take to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. First up, you need to head over to Amazon.com and log into your account. Make sure to use the right credentials, those you used to sign up for your Prime membership. If you're not logged in yet, just hit the sign in option at the top right corner of the page, punch in your email and password, and hit enter. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Next, we're going to navigate to the Memberships and Subscriptions section. To get there, move your cursor to the Accounts and Lists menu at the top right of the home page. A drop-down menu will appear. Scroll through it until you find the section labeled Memberships and Subscriptions and click on it. This area is your go-to for managing any and all subscriptions tied to your Amazon account, be it your Prime membership or any other service. Now that you're on the Memberships and Subscriptions page, you'll see a list of all active memberships associated with your account. Look for your Amazon Prime membership. There should be a section specifically for it with an option to cancel. Clicking this will guide you through the cancellation process. Amazon might ask you a couple of questions or try to offer you some incentives to stay on as a member, such as a reminder of the benefits or even a special deal to change your mind. If you're sure about canceling, just continue with the process. Remember to review the details provided during the cancellation sequence. It's important to take note of specific information such as how long you'll continue to receive Prime benefits before the membership actually terminates. This helps in planning around key services you might be using, like Prime Video or expedited shipping. Once you've finalized your decision and made it through the prompts, Amazon will confirm the cancellation, and you should receive an email confirmation shortly confirming that your membership will not renew. It's a relief to know that you can now move forward without having to worry about unexpected charges when renewal time comes around. And that's about it. You've taken the necessary steps to cancel your Amazon Prime membership before the auto renewal date. This process ensures you have control over your subscriptions and can manage them according to your preferences. Thanks for tuning in today, and feel free to reach out for more tips and tricks on managing your online accounts. Have an excellent day.